Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. I guess you've been waiting for an update video about Alpha One iBot. I'm sorry to say, today I will not turn it on because sometimes you need to have a common sense. So, days like this, I'm staying away from the robot. You can have the best robot in the world, but you might lose money. But before I do that, I have won 15 times in a row. Of course, you need to choose the little time to run the robot. Check, for example, you go to investing.com here. Also make sure you make a free account here and put in your address, because when you put in your address, all the time zones you see here will be follow your own time zone, okay? So as I live in Brazil, it's following my time zones. What I do every single day before I turn on the robot, I go to news, I go to economic calendar, okay? So then I check for, are there any 3-star news? Like now, for example, now was 45 minutes ago, was a news for dollar. And dollar in fact cryptocurrency. And also we have an euro against dollar pair also, the robot is trading. So we don't want to do anything when it's big news for dollar, and we don't want to do anything if it's a news for 3-star news for euro, like you see up here. You can wait, if you see a news like this, wait at least 1 hour after the news. Or if, don't turn on the robot right before the news either. So stay away from the news. That's point number 1. Another thing, look this. Dollar is moving like crazy, and it's not just because of GBP. Check euro also. Let's remove this. See this move down here. A crazy move down. So do not trade under news, and don't trade when you see things like this, because basically when dollar is moving hard, that means also for cryptocurrency. You see, for example, now Bitcoin are now currently at the lowest point you've seen for a while. So here I can go to CoinMarketCap. I think it's like 18,000 for a Bitcoin right now. 18,716 is in one of the lowest points I've seen it for a very long time. See here now, let's go to Bitcoin. See here now, we are currently now on the support area of Bitcoin. So of course, if you're trading, the market move too crazy, stay away. So today, I will not be running the robot, but you can, of course, you find a link below the video, and only with my link will you get my robot, that is Alpha One iBot, that you will see in the top when you log in. And also, only with my link you can deposit just $100, compare with $250 if you just go in by yourself. So, with that, I really hope you appreciate my honesty, why I'm not trading today, and why also you need to think a little the days to trade if you see the market is crazy. If a manual trading will not work, why should a robot work? Of course, maybe I would get lucky and get a winner, but I don't want to be playing either. I don't play with my money, so today I'm staying away from the market. But tomorrow I'm pretty sure I will go in full again. Maybe I'll even take 2 trades tomorrow. So follow me, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I see you on the next.